Welcome to the first lesson in our Chat GPT course. In our lesson today, we're going to speak about the definition of Chat GPT, which comes from the letters G for generative, P for pretrained, and T for transformer. This is an AI model that was done by OpenAI. It uses a cutting-edge deep learning technique, which allows it to take an input text that was written by the user and respond back as a human. It was trained on a massive amount of data, such as texts, numbers, essays, and much more, which allows it to work on a wide range, as responding to questions that was written by the user, or translating to other languages, or even summarizing a very long text. The key to ChatGPT's success is that it uses the transformer architecture, which allows it to take the text that was written by the user, understand the context, and respond back with the best response ever. So to wrap up, ChatGPT is a chatbot, but it can actually help you with everything because it was trained on lots of data. Let's take Laya's story as an example. Laya is a girl who wakes up one day wondering about the colors matching of her clothes, thinking about the weather and some other variables. She goes to ChatGPT, starts typing a question, asking and giving ChatGPT the case, and ChatGPT actually helps her that day to pick her clothes in a good way. She finds it good, so she thinks about creating a mobile application to help her friends and family use the app that way. She goes back to ChatGPT, asks about how to generate an app, follow up step by step until she makes her application. After a while, she finds out that people do like her app, so she starts thinking of why not to go viral, why not to promote my application to be used worldwide. She goes back to ChatGPT, starts to plan for a business plan, sales, and works on every script, video, anything needed for the marketing of her application until she ends up with a revenue-generating startup. I hope you understand what ChatGPT is from Laya's story, and in the next lesson, we're going to speak about how it works internally.